Hello friends. In this video I will teach you how to run Java program in Visual Studio. So let's start. Welcome to ZS Tech Pro channel. To run Java program you have to download the JDK, which is Java Development Kit in computer. I will paste this link into description box so that you will download JDK setup. Scroll down and select your operating system. My operating system is Windows. This is a full package of JDK, so click on it. We will download x64 installer. Open your download folder. Double-click on Setup. Java installation has been installed. Change the location and click on Next button. Finally, Java has installed. Open the command line to check Java is installed or not. Write down in command line to check the installation of Java. Java space double hyphen version. Check the version of Java. Java space double hyphen version.so. The current version is 18. Now open the Visual Studio and click on Extension tab on left side. Write the Java and search. In this extension it has all depends of Java. Click on Install in green color. It will start all depends. Save this file anywhere. Make sure you write .java after writing the name of Java file. Now let's test the Java file through its print function. You have to click this run button. This will compile your Java file and print hello world. Here in terminal you can see hello world is printed. Now I will give you another example changing hello world to name Zima. Don't. If you enjoy the video, please share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.